This is the Kenmore Elite 795 model French door refrigerator with 2-drawer freezer on the bottom. I have the back panel off in the freezer compartment because it's not getting cold enough, and right now I just have it held up on top here with the guide rail, and this should have some frost on it. There is no frost. If I touch it's just kind of cool a little bit. A little bit of moisture on the pipes over here. This is the temperature probe I have disconnected. Okay. So there's a problem. I see no frost on there at all. And to get this cover off, took me a while to figure out. There was nothing on the internet. About how to get the cover. Yeah, let me drop it back down here. It's all the way out. How I got it up there.
Is that water?
A little bit.
In those coils there.
A little bit. We've got the doors open or off.
You don't need this?
No, I don't think so.